If you're in real estate and you want to save time, create better marketing, and communicate more confidently with clients, ChatGPT can be a huge advantage. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT for real estate in a practical, step-by-step way. We'll cover listing descriptions, analyzing property photos, checking technical details, and even practicing conversations with difficult clients. If this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more software tutorials and productivity tips. Let's start with the first and most popular use case, creating listing and the marketing content. Instead of staring at a blank page, you can give ChatGPT the basic property details and let it help you turn them into polished, engaging copy. For example, if you have a home with an open floor plan, natural light, and a modern kitchen, you can ask ChatGPT to write a short MLS-style description that sounds professional and appealing. The key here is to be specific. Tell it how long you want the description, what features to highlight, and what tone you want to use. If you need it to stay fair housing compliant, mention that too. That way, ChatGPT gives you marketing copy that is not only useful, but also safer to use in a real estate setting. You can also use ChatGPT to create social media captions, email follow-ups, open house promotions, and even ad copy for paid campaigns. This is especially helpful if you manage multiple listings and need content fast. Instead of rewriting the same idea over and over, you can use ChatGPT to generate several versions, then pick the one that fits best. A good prompt might be something like, write 3 Instagram captions for a new luxury listing, keep them professional, and include a call to action for scheduling a showing. That gives you more options in seconds. Next, let's talk about using ChatGPT to analyze property photos and documents. One of the biggest advantages in 2026 is that ChatGPT can work with images and uploaded files, which makes it much more practical for real estate workflows. If you upload property photos, you can ask ChatGPT to help identify features worth mentioning in a listing description. You can also ask it to focus on things like natural light, kitchen finishes, curb appeal, or layout. This helps you turn raw visual information into strong marketing language much faster. Another powerful use is checking technical details. For example, if you upload a photo of an HVAC unit or water heater serial number, you can ask ChatGPT to help estimate the manufacture date and the remaining lifespan of the unit. That does not replace a licensed inspector or contractor, but it can help you screen information more efficiently and prepare smarter questions before a showing or inspection. If you work with a lot of properties, that kind of support can save time and reduce guesswork. Now let's move into client communication and lead conversion. Real estate is not just about properties, it's also about conversations, objections, and trust. ChatGPT can help you practice how to respond to common client concerns before you speak to them in real life. For example, you can tell ChatGPT to act as a skeptical home seller who thinks the market is crashing, then practice your response. This is a great way to rehearse objection handling, improve your confidence, and refine your messaging. You can also use ChatGPT to draft texts, follow-up emails, buyer checklists, and seller updates. If a client is asking the same question in different ways, ChatGPT can help you create a clear, consistent response that sounds professional and friendly. That means less time rewriting messages and more time focusing on closing deals and building relationships. Here's a simple workflow you can follow. First, decide what task you need help with. Is it writing a property description, analyzing a photo, creating a campaign, or practicing a conversation? Second, give ChatGPT enough context. Include the property type, audience, tone, and goal. Third, ask for the exact format you want. For example, ask for bullet points, a short paragraph, or 3 variations. Finally, review the output carefully and make edits where needed so it matches your brand and your local market. The biggest mistake people make is being too vague. If you simply say, help me with real estate, the response will usually be generic. But if you say, write a 120-word luxury listing description for a 3-bedroom condo with city views, modern appliances, and a bright primary suite, you'll get something much better. The more specific your prompt, the better the result. You can also build repeatable prompts for your business. That way, whenever you get a new listing, you already have a template ready to go. For example, one prompt could be for MLS descriptions, another for social captions, another for open house emails, and another for seller follow-ups. Once you set those up, ChatGPT becomes a real assistant in your day-to-day workflow. So to recap, ChatGPT can help real estate agents and professionals write better marketing copy, analyze photos and documents, support technical review, and practice client conversations. It is a powerful tool when you use it with clear instructions and the right expectations. If you found this video helpful, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.